Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what the app needs and then take the first concrete steps. Open Android Studio and create an empty activity with Kotlin for clarity. Add dependencies for Lifecycle, Recycler View or View Pager, and Room or JSON for storage. These let you load and persist questions. Next, design the XML, a question text view, 4 answer buttons or a radio group, and a persistent score text view. Once done, implement a simple question data class and seed it with a small JSON or in-memory list so you can run immediately. You now implement the core flow and the reasons behind each choice. Use a view model to store the current question index, answers, and score so data survives configuration changes. Expose live data for the activity or fragment to observe. Build an adapter if using Recycler View or Supply Pages to View Pager. This separates UI from logic and simplifies animations. On answer click, compare selected index to correct index, update score, post new state to live data, and advance, debounce clicks and show feedback for correct versus wrong answers. You finish the app by polishing behavior and validating edge cases. Add accessibility labels and proper focus order, make layouts responsive for different sizes, and test animations for smooth feedback. Persist results with room or simple shared preferences so users can resume. Include an export/import JSON option if useful. Build a release APK and run unit and instrumentation tests, then manual user flows. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Inspect View Model Live Data states with logs and the Layout Inspector to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.